In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable notifications in Mozilla Firefox, which is super useful if you are getting constant ads or pop-ups from websites asking for notification permission. Let's begin. Open your Firefox and then go to the top right corner, where you can see the three horizontal lines, also called as the menu button, and I want you to click the settings. In the left side area of the navigation, click the privacy and security and scroll down to where you can see the permissions right here. You can also use the search functionality by typing in permission, and then I want you to click the notifications. Click on it. What will happen is, as you can see, you have the ability to block any new requests allowing notifications. What will happen is this prevents any websites not listed above, okay, from requesting permission to send notifications. And basically, that's how you do it. All I have to do is check the box and click the Save Changes. That's it for today's video on how to disable notifications in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.